Okay, so I just bought this the other day. I've been eyeing it forever. So cute, so affordable, so easy to set up. So as you can see, you've got these little almost like Edison light bulb looking glass bulbs here. You can fill these with water and have real plants in here. They give you like a little dropper to make it easy to water and keep these things hydrated. Or for me, I am going to fill these with those sort of glass looking, what are these, marble things, and then I'm going to put fake plants in there so that I don't have to worry about any watering. But so cute. This is going to be on display kind of on a decorative shelf, but it stands alone, so really you can put this anywhere. When I tell you it was easy to set up, I mean, I think it maybe took a minute, right? You're just connecting the two wood pieces, splaying them open, and then you just place your little daubers where you want these to stay, and then you're pushing everything into place. So easy, so cute. This would make an absolutely amazing gift because it's just beautiful. And someone, whether it's their office or, you know, sitting on their dining room table or even just in a living room or bedroom, it just makes a beautiful statement piece, whether it's live plants or it's faux plants. It is so beautiful. You've got the wood that kind of has that stained look, but it's not too rustic. It could fit in with a ton of different decor styles. Absolutely love the glass. I don't know. I had loved this. I wanted it forever. And I was like, you know what? I deserve this. And I am so happy I bought this. And I will post another video when I have it all decorated.